Hey, old school network marketers, stop your one-on-one inefficient way of doing your prospecting and do this instead. Now, in a digital era, right, it is not difficult to do one-to-many, especially when your prospecting ways is going to be a repetitive one over and over again to multiple individuals over a different time, isn't it? So why not leverage on digital systems that you set up that you can engage one-to-many qualified prospects at one time. And the beautiful part of it, when you set up, right, you are not even there to actually prospect directly. You let this to do the talking for you. And when you set something up like that, even the beginners in your team can also leverage on this, and then you can achieve duplication efficiently and authentically. So here we go. Let me show you how it works with this two-step webinar funnel. Okay, this is the tool. This is the digital tool I use to set it up, which is called the system.io brand. All right, and this is actually step number 1. So when someone land on your first page of this funnel, so you will give them a marketing message to encourage them to click on this blue button to go to the next step. Let me demonstrate to you. So upon doing that, you have a pop-up form, right, for them to fill up their information, right, basic information, right, and thereafter press the submit button, and it will go on to watch a masterclass or webinar that you have actually prepared for them. Let me show you the step number 2 that I have already set up so that I can demonstrate my point in this video. So there you are. So upon submission of that pop-up form, you'll come to this step number 2. It's like a form of a registration. You can take it in that way. So there you are, right? Over here, this is, right, your business mentor or somebody that can speak very well about your business opportunities or about your product, right, to be shown here, right? And then after completion of watching the webinar or the masterclass that you have prepared for them, right? And then next, you can have another message for them to encourage them to book an appointment with you right there. Okay, so this is an embedded calendar that is embedded on this page. Then how do you do it? The technical part that if you need help, I have something prepared for you. I have actually launched, right, especially for network marketers and affiliate marketers, this mentorship plus 6 modules of a mini training plus my personal tech support to you. And it is a subscription basis, right, kind of a membership. So earlier on, whatever that you have seen, which is the 2-step webinar funnel that I've actually set up, right, all this you can learn during this mentorship program. So if you want to bring your network marketing business to the next level in the digital era, setting up your own digital business systems that will provide you a higher level of efficiency, more authenticity and productivity in getting your customers and even recruiting your teammates, then comment below this video the keyword tech support, and I will send you the link to register. And to take the risk off you, perhaps you are very skeptical whether you are up for this, I'm putting in a 7 days free trial for you. That means it's totally cost-free even when you subscribe, right, for 7 days. Thereafter, I'll be giving you another 14 days money back guarantee should you change your mind. After the 14th day, you can actually ask for a refund. And the third benefit I'm going to give you to take the risk further away from you would be, this is a no contract kind of subscription. You can cancel anytime. So comment below now the keyword tech support and check out this irresistible offer.